Welcome to the video.
So this is channel 1, channel 2, channel 3 and channel 4. So this is mode 3 transmitter. So I wanted to convert it to the mode 2 because mode 2 is the most popular transmitter. So to do so, you need a plus screwdriver. Just turn it and start unscrewing. So after you open all of the screws, just it should come. It's just applying a bit of force. It should come straight. Gently. So I separate this. I will unscrew the both cables. So and we have separated the battery compartment. So keep this in one side. So if you zoom in, this is our throttle stick, this is our pitch and elevator stick. So now what we have to do is just take this from here and put it here. So I will quickly unscrew. So to unscrew you need a smaller screwdriver. This whole compartment should come like this. Release its wire. And do the same to the another stick. Just unscrew all of the So this one also comes out. So the process is very simple. So just take out this from here and put it here. It should fit perfectly here. Thing up there, just screw all the nuts. So we have already fitted our elevator stick. So it's time for the accelerator one. It doesn't have spring in the throttle channel but has spring in the gear channel. So if you feel your stick is too loose, you can open your transmitter and tight these sticks. So it feels very good now. After that, press this thing in its place and screw. So after screwing, you have to place this wire in its socket. So just like this, place this thing in its socket. So after it gets in, so all thing is perfect. So now we have our throttle stick in the left side and our rudder and elevator stick on our right side. So it is okay. So now we don't have to do anything inside the frame, just screw everything up. So put the wires in their corresponding hole. So after you put on the wires, you screw everything up. You need to just reverse the process what we have done while screwing. So we have done our. I got 4 of the double size battery. So it says put the throttle down. So we'll put our throttle down and all the switches off. In the display, you can find all the channels are reversed. So first, go to the system. Go to the sticks mode and click on mode 2. Just click on OK. Sticks modes. So channel 2. Okay now. So if we click on the display, so our channel number 3 works fine. So mode works fine. So we successfully modified our transmitter from mode 3 to the mode 2. So I will just turn off my transmitter. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And also press the notification icon so that you never miss any updates from